Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect your family budget with GoodBudget detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect your family budget with GoodBudget, start by downloading the GoodBudget app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and create a free account using your email address. Once your account is set up, log in to access your GoodBudget dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the main interface, which includes your envelopes and transactions. Begin by setting up your envelopes to represent different spending categories, such as groceries, utilities, and entertainment. To create a new envelope, tap the plus icon and enter the name of the category. Assign a budgeted amount for each envelope based on your family's needs. Once your envelopes are ready, it's time to add your income. Go to the Income section and tap on Add Income. Enter the amount and source of your income, then save the details. Next, allocate money from your income to each envelope based on your planned expenses. To add a transaction, go back to your dashboard and find the envelope you wish to spend from. Tap the envelope, then select Add Transaction. Enter the details of the transaction, including the amount spent and a brief description. Repeat this process for each expense to keep track of your family's spending. Regularly review your envelopes to monitor your budget's progress. If necessary, adjust the budgeted amounts in your envelopes to reflect any changes in your expenses. Take advantage of the reporting features to analyze your spending patterns over time. Consider setting reminders for regular budget check-ins to stay on track. Encourage family members to get involved in the budgeting process for better accountability. By following these steps, you will effectively connect your family budget with GoodBudget for better financial management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.